some things I forgot to tell you before I sing was, wow, I really need to eat more apples. Oh my god, like I just had that in my head. I really don't remember. Wow. Oh, things, some stuff about me. Let's see. You already know I love to sing. I love to sing more than anything. More than anything. And I'm goofy. I'm really, really goofy. Like, so goofy. I smile a lot. Like, you'll never catch me not smiling. I smile a lot. And let's see. 14, birthday is July 9th, 1999. And my best friends are, it's a long list. Alexis Singletary, Alexis Henry, Joseph Butler, Destiny Sowers, Takoria West, Tamara, Jamaria, and yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's all my best friends. And Jada, Jordan, Jada. Did I ever say Jada? No, I didn't. Jada. And yeah. 2 Jadas. Jada and Jada. Yeah. I know I haven't seen them in so long. Yeah, that's it, I think, because I can't remember the 4th one. I'm going to tell you about, and I'm going to sing Lean On Me. And when you comment, please don't comment bad things. I mean, I really don't care what you say, but anyway, I just don't care. You can comment. It's not, even if I say you don't do it, you're going to do it anyway. So, yeah. Here we go. Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrows, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride and buy a things you need to borrow, for no one can feel those little needs that you won't let show. Just call on your sister when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be a friend. I'll help you carry on, for no one can feel those little needs that you won't let show. That's about the whole song, but my phone is dying, so I just cut it short. So don't forget to comment, and I remember that last thing I want to tell you about. I just had a thing in my head while I was singing. So literally, oh my god, I need apples. singing, why I sing stuff about me. Anyway, I don't know. The reason why I said the reason why I keep saying is I need to eat more apples, because if you eat more apples, you remember more. So don't forget to comment. Bye, YouTube.